Do you love watermelon but hate the hassle of prepping it? Get ready to have your mind blown because today we're diving into some of the coolest watermelon gadgets you never knew you needed. Whether you're slicing, dicing, scooping, or even tapping, these tools will transform the way you enjoy this refreshing summer treat. Let's jump right in. First up is the Watermelon Windmill Cutter. Imagine effortlessly slicing your watermelon into perfect, bite-sized cubes with a simple push. This gadget uses a windmill-style blade to cut through the flesh of the watermelon, delivering uniformly sized cubes. It's fun to use, and it's perfect for serving guests at a summer party. If you love precision and speed, this one's going to be a game changer for you. Now, here's something truly unique: the watermelon splitter and fork. This handy kitchen gadget is designed to both slice and serve watermelon. It features a dual-function design. One end has a curved blade that slices through the watermelon, creating evenly sized pieces, while the other end is a fork that allows you to pick up and serve the slices directly. This tool makes it easy to enjoy watermelon without needing multiple utensils, simplifying the process of cutting and eating in one go. Moving on, let's talk about the Watermelon Ball Scooper. This gadget is perfect for creating cute, round watermelon balls that are perfect for fruit salads or decorative dishes. The scooper's sharp edges make it easy to carve out perfect spheres with minimal effort. And if you're feeling creative, you can use it to scoop out other fruits like cantaloupe or honeydew too. It's a simple tool, but the results are always impressive. Ever wanted your watermelon to look like a fun treat? The ice cream-shaped watermelon cutter is here to make that happen. This gadget cuts watermelon slices into adorable ice cream cone shapes, perfect for a playful summer presentation. Kids and adults alike will love the fun twist this gadget brings to the table, making it a delightful addition to any picnic or party. Next, we have the extra-large watermelon slicer. This isn't just any slicer. This beast is designed to slice even the biggest watermelons in one swift motion. With its large, stainless steel blades and sturdy handles, you can halve your watermelon with one push, giving you perfectly sliced wedges every time. No more struggling with a knife. It's a must-have if you're tired of the mess and effort it takes to slice a watermelon. Now, if you've ever struggled with peeling the tough outer skin of a watermelon, the Watermelon Skin Peeler is here to save the day. This peeling gadget is designed to remove the tough outer rind of a watermelon with minimal effort. The device works by securing the watermelon in place and then using an automated blade to remove the skin uniformly as it rotates. This tool is ideal for quickly preparing large amounts of watermelon for salads, fruit platters, or other dishes without the hassle of manual peeling. This next gadget is a real showstopper, the Watermelon Keg Tapping Kit. Turn your watermelon into a drink dispenser with this nifty kit. Just hollow out your watermelon, insert the tap, and fill it with your favorite beverage, whether it's a refreshing watermelon juice or a summer cocktail. It's a fun and creative way to serve drinks at your next gathering, and it's sure to impress your guests. Last but not least, let's talk about the Watermelon Seed Removing Tool. If you're tired of picking out those pesky seeds one by one, this gadget is for you. With its specially designed fork-style edges, it quickly and easily removes seeds without damaging the flesh of the watermelon. It's perfect for making seedless watermelon slices, ensuring that you can enjoy every bite without any interruptions. There you have it, watermelon gadgets that will blow your mind and make your summer snacking even more enjoyable. Which one of these gadgets do you think would make the biggest difference in your kitchen? Let me know in the comments below.